everyone, welcome to the second part of this video. Today I will show you how to make the second round of this beautiful tote bag. On the last video, I have made the first rounds of the main pattern. Now I'm gonna end these first rounds by making a slip stitch on the top of the two chains. After making this slip stitch, make two chains. Then skip one stitch and make one double crochet in each of the next two stitches. Then make two incomplete treble crochets together. The first one is made in the skip stitch. Then make another incomplete treble crochet in the second stitch from the middle stitch. Okay, then complete these two treble crochets together. After making these two incomplete treble crochets together, make another two double crochets. The first one is made in this middle stitch. There are two double crochets in this middle stitch. Then make another double crochet in the next one stitch. Okay, the first arrow for the second round is complete now. Then make three double crochet. Skip one stitch, then make one front post double crochet through the previous front post double crochet. Make one normal double crochet back to the skip stitch. Make one double crochet in the next one stitch. Then make one front post double crochet through each of the next two front post double crochets. Then make one regular double crochet in the next one stitch. After making this regular double crochet, skip one stitch. Skip this stitch, make one regular double crochet in the next one stitch. Okay, after this, you need to make one more front post double crochet through the previous front post double crochet. Okay, this is what the pattern looks like. After making this front post double crochet, make one regular double crochet in each of the next three stitches. After this, you just need to repeat this pattern to complete this second round. This is the last double crochet of the second round. Make a slip stitch on the second chain. Then I'm going to show you how to make the third round. Firstly, make two chains, repeat the arrow pattern, skip one stitch, then make one double crochet in each of the next two stitches. Then make 2 incomplete treble crochets together. The first one is made in the skip stitch. Then make another incomplete treble crochet in the second stitch from the middle one. After making this second incomplete treble crochet, make 1 double crochet back to the middle stitch. There are 2 double crochets in this middle stitch. Then make 1 regular double crochet in the next one stitch. Okay, the first row pattern for the third round is ready. Then make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, skip this next one stitch, then make 4 incomplete double crochets together. Okay, there are 5 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. After making a base, make 1 regular double crochet back to the skip stitch. Make 1 regular double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then make 1 front post double crochet to each of the previous front post double crochets. Followed by 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Skip 1 stitch. Skip a stitch, make a regular double crochet in the next 1 stitch. Make 4 incomplete front post double crochet through the previous front post double crochet. There are 5 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Then make 1 regular double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. The main pattern for the third round is already, and this is what it looks like. You just need to repeat this pattern to complete this third round. And this one is the last double crochet for this third round. After making this last double crochet, I'm going to make a slip stitch on the top of the 2 chains, followed by 2 to the up or 2 chains, 1, 2. Okay, this one is the fourth round. The fourth round is similar with the first round. Firstly, skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then make 2 triple crochet together in 2 different stitches. The first one is made in a skip stitch. Complete this first incomplete triple crochet, then make another one. This one is the second incomplete triple crochet. There are 3 loops in the hook. You never pull it through those 3 loops. Then make 1 normal double crochet in the middle stitch and another double crochet in the next one stitch. Okay, this is the first arrow pattern for the fourth round. Okay, the fourth round is similar with the first rounds. After making the arrow pattern, you need to make 4 normal double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. After this, skip one stitch and make one purpose double crochet through the body of the next double crochet. Make one regular double crochet back to the skip stitch. The pattern of this fourth round is similar with the first round. You just need to repeat the first round to create this fourth round. Then make another purpose double crochet through the body of the previous purpose double crochet. One more purpose double crochet through the body of the previous purpose double crochet. Then skip one stitch and make one regular double crochet in the next one stitch. Then make one more purpose double crochet through the body of the skips double crochet. Then make one regular double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Okay, it's ready. The fourth round is similar with the first round. The fifth round is similar with the second round. The sixth round is similar with the third round. You just need to repeat this pattern over and over again until you get the height you desire. I've got the height I desire. I will make a slip stitch in the second chain after making this main pattern of this beautiful tote bag. I will continue to make the next part. The next part is the spiral single crochet. To make this pattern, I will make one single crochet in each of the stitches. Only for the first round, I will make 2 single crochets in this middle stitch. I'm gonna make the spiral single crochet as much as 10 rounds. This is the first round. This is the last or the 10th round. Okay, now I will cut the yarn to end this beautiful project. I have made the handle for this beautiful tote bag and I have attached on the back. Well, this is the final look of this project. It's so amazing and I'm very satisfied of this result. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Have a good time and happy crochet.